everybody? Welcome back to HBI Auto. We are starting this video off in a 2020 Porsche Taycan 4S. This is their fully electric hatchback, or if you want to call it a wagon or like an electric Panamera, go for it, whatever you want to do. This is an immaculate ride. I love this more than anything. I think when they first came out, I was totally blown away. Now compared to a Tesla, to me, this blows it out of the water every single time, every single day. With a horsepower of 562 and a 0 to 60 time of about 3.3 seconds, this is no joke when it comes to an electric car. Astounding how clean it is, how well built it is for an electric car, and just how much power and fun you can have with the Taycan while having plenty of room for everyone. Now you'll notice that this one has a full red interior. It also has a black interior as well, one of my favorite combinations that we've talked about before, and I'm really just enjoying the drive. I have this one in sport mode right now, and it's honestly, it's so fun. What I love about the Taycan is just how torquey they are, and I mean that's also can be said for electric cars like the Teslas, but it's just how much instant torque there is. It's so enjoyable, and it's just like it's like a roller coaster. One of the cool things about the Taycan is that they included a feature called the electric sport sound, which, if you don't know, they pretty much took a 911 engine and remixed it with different audio and like auto tunes and everything electronic, and they included it so if you really wanted to hear an exhaust, you could turn on the feature within your settings and you'll get this sound. Hopefully you can hear it. So it's a little bit more amplified than the normal one, so if I turn it off, you can kind of hear it loses its growl. So this is the interior of this 2020 Porsche Taycan 4S, a beautiful layout in my opinion, one of the best for an electric vehicle. Now you'll notice right off the bat, like I said, you have that 992, 911 steering wheel, and now, like I mentioned earlier, you have a red interior with also black in here, and it's just a really nice combination, one of my favorites that I've mentioned. I also mentioned how many screens there are. You have a really nice electronic display right here in the center console, and then also down here for all of your controls and whatnot. Now you'll notice the two buttons that I touched right there, you do have heated and cooled seats with this, so it's a really nice feature. One of the more interesting things about the Taycan is your gear selector is right here. Now your big park button is right there, but also the same one that you'll see in a 911 is actually just mounted right there. One of the more noticeable features about the Taycan is this full glass roof. What I love are these seats. They're so stylish in my opinion, very, very comfortable seats. These are fully adjustable, heated and cooled seats, and they feel like they are hugging you really, really well, but also just giving you a nice daily comfort feel. So this is the exterior of this 2020 Taycan 4S. You'll notice how massive these Michelin Pilot Sport 4s are. Now looking at the back, another big feature that I love about the Taycan is you have the active aero on the back, and you'll also notice, of course, there's no exhaust down here, but they did a really good job at cleaning this up and making sure that it looked still really like a sports car, but futuristic looking. I really do love how the Taycan looks. I think it's one of the most aggressive looking electric cars that you can get right now, and obviously, again, 560 to the wheel. Really good storage capacity in this car, 4 seats for everyone, and it's just a ton of fun. Really good daily option that you're looking at right here that is available now. Go ahead and click the link down below. You can check out more photos and get in contact with the team about picking up this Taycan. But that is going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you're interested in this Taycan 4S, the link is in the description below. You can check out more photos and get in contact with the team about picking up this car. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.